Kia ora guys, I'm going to show you a little tutorial on how I get those 50-50 shots, the half up and under shots. We're in this beautiful little setting here. I've got Lisa out on the swing bridge. I'm going to use the Hero 12, no dome. We're going to shoot using the extension pole and remote. Let me show you how I do it. So what I like to do is experiment with a few different settings. So I'm going to shoot 5K and 8.7 30 frames per second. That means I can pull a high res frame grab from that if I want a still image.
Just between those two. One more.
Now what I'm going to do is shoot 4K 60 frames in that 8:7 ratio. That way we're making the most of as wide as we can go. This camera shoots in such a wide ratio. But at 60 frames, it means I can slow that down. The other method we can go for if I want a high res still image is a single shot. However, to get that perfect 50-50 split, what I like to do is shoot in burst mode. Now, burst mode with the Hero 12, I can shoot raw 60 photos in 10 seconds. This is the part of the video where I say like, comment, and subscribe. But if you are finding this tutorial helpful, please comment below and tag me in your shots. I want to see what awesome adventures you guys are getting up to out there. Right, let's get back to it. Right, now that you've shot this footage, I'm going to teach you how you can download and edit this footage using your mobile device on the GoPro Quick app. But stick around, because during this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how you can get paid for this epic content that you just shot. Right, let's download this using the GoPro Quick app. What I'll do is I'll take a screen recording so you can follow my step-by-step process. So what we're gonna do is I wanna achieve 3 different things. 1, I wanna achieve a good photo. 2, we're gonna create a nice slow motion reel. And the 3rd is I wanna take a screen grab from a video that I can post. Okay, we're gonna find that GoPro, connect the GoPro, click View Media, and open up those videos. We're not going to download any of those burst photos yet. I'm going to teach you another way around this in a second. While that's downloading, let me give you a couple of extra tips on how to achieve this shot. Tip number 1, keep that lens clean and clear. Use your t-shirt and wipe it before every shot. Your next tip, sunlight is your friend, but don't shoot direct into the sunlight. Put it behind you and let it light up that scene in front of you. Now, the next tip as well is really take your time. Go slow and line up that half 50-50 shot. Right. Okay, we've got the videos downloaded, so let's get into this. So first, let's do that slow motion cinematic reel. We're gonna click View Media. Here's the slow motion 4K 60 frame shot that I took of Lisa on the pole, on the bridge there, sorry. So what I'm gonna do now is click the pencil symbol down the bottom left-hand corner. Tap in that, I'm gonna scroll across to the speed tool. Now, if you do see a blue thunderbolt come up, the speed tool is one of the extra options for the paid subscription for the GoPro Quick app. So let's have a look at what it does. Tapping that speed tool, I can now select part of the video here, or in this case, I'm gonna select the entire video and I'm gonna half the speed of that video. And let's have a look at that playback. So good! Now what we're gonna do is go along to the adjust tool here and we're gonna adjust the color of the video. So we're gonna increase a little brightness, change the temperature a bit here, and bring the highlights down just a little bit. add a bit of more drama. Finally, what I'm going to do is go across and we're going to go to the frame size. As we know, we're going to use this as a cinematic reel on Instagram or TikTok. I'm going to fit to 9:16. The next option we can do is we can actually adjust the lens. Because we shot in such a wide aspect ratio of 8:7, I have so much room to play in here. So I'm going to go to lens and let's make that linear. Go back, make sure it's 9:16, just like that. And then what we can do now is trim that clip down, just get rid of those little bits, those little edges. We want to start about there to about when it comes back down. And I'm going to click save this clip. Now what we want to do is save this to our mobile device. So up in the top right hand corner is this upward arrow. I'm going to click save to photos. Now for you editing nerds out there who like a little bit of extra juice in your edits, tap that pencil symbol, and what we're going to do is click high quality and H.264, push continue, and that'll save to our mobile device, just like that. Now what we're going to do is let's take a frame grab from a video. So because we shot earlier in that aspect ratio of 8:7, but also in the resolution of 5K, we now have a high resolution video at a massive aspect ratio. So let's go find that video, which is one of these ones here. Right, so what we've got now is we've got this 5K video here, and I want to take a frame grab of this. So what I'm going to do is tap down the bottom here, and I want to click the second one in, which is the image symbol here. And all we do is tap until we find a spot that works really well. Here we go, coming along. Oh, I think that's a good spot there, right there. Hang on, let's have a look, let's have a look. Oh, I love that. So now what I'm gonna do is click that top right-hand corner where it says save frame grab. And I'm gonna save this to, you can either save it to the app and we can edit that, or you can save it straight to your mobile device on Save Photos. Job done. Now let's go into the third option here and let's play around with one of those burst photos. Now remember earlier what we did was we shot 60 photos in 10 seconds. So I'm going to go back to my GoPro, view media. We do have the option of downloading all 60, but I only know that I want 1 or 2 of those shots. So I'm going to open up those 60 images, click that middle symbol here, and here are all my shots. Let's have a look. We're going to scroll through until we find the one that really worked well. Ooh, that one's nice. That's a good one there. So what I'm going to do now is download that single image, view media, and there's the shot. And what that has also done is it's opened up all of these options here with the pencil. So let's go through and edit that. Now, a little editing tip here, team. Remember, before you start editing, now remember, this talking thing's really difficult. Before we start editing, remember, swipe down and make sure the brightness on your device is all the way up. Okay, click edit, and we're gonna go through like we did earlier, click the adjust tool and play around with the colors, get it to something that we really like. Bit of drama. And then now I really like to play around also with the lens. So we're gonna make sure that it's linear, clean that up, and click save. I'm really happy with that. I've adjusted it, made sure it's nice and square, straight, click save, and in the top right hand corner is that save option. Now, I did promise you that I was gonna teach you how you can get paid for the shot by GoPro. Down the bottom here, before we click save to photos, is the option to submit to GoPro Awards. So I'm gonna click this. GoPro Awards is this incredible system where you will get paid by GoPro if they select your photo. So you can submit your content. They are looking for raw photos and videos. unedited. It's as simple as that. If your photo is selected, you could be on one of the many global GoPro channels. But if you make it all the way to the main global channel, they are paying up to $250 for a photo or $500 US for the video. And if you're a GoPro subscriber, that fee is doubled. It is as simple as that. So I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have, please hit me a like, subscribe, and comment below. I want to see what you guys are getting up to out there. So please tag me in your content and go out and have some fun. Remember, your ordinary is someone else's extraordinary. That's how we do it. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.